jumpers. Zoom! Now, here's today's co-pilot. What's your name, space jumper?
Woody Woodpecker.
Okay, Woody, give that big old zoom. Take over the controls, Woody. We're going to blast off. But first, a drink of delicious Zoppo. Are you ready with your bottles, you 52 million boys and girls? Blast off with Zoppo. Ready, co-pilot?
Check.
Master switch on. Asteroid point 000. Gyro stabilizer 7.2 millitrons. Blast off time minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, Woody, you've had your trip to Mars. You've earned your space helmet, your signalizer, and your can of Zippo Whip. Bye now, and don't forget, zoom!
And zoom, zoom.
Sarge, a flying saucer just landed. Keep your heads, folks. Don't get excited. Don't get excited!
Mr. and Mrs. North America and all the ships at sea. Flash! Flying saucers, 30 feet in diameter, have invaded our city.
La Savina Krabashadan Lo Sabato read on a flying pizza. Ito nga po yung tumutosong somewhere on a flying eggpuyang. Funny looking thing, ain't he? Yeah, maybe he's from Mars.
I saw him flash right out of the sky. I knew this would happen.
Don't get too close, folks. He may be radioactive.
This is a lot of fun.
Rope off the area. Code all communications.
He's not from our planet. I repeat, he is not from our planet. Over.
Washington says turn him over to the atomic lab for observation. First, we check his IQ. Aha! Oh, now we see which peg goes in the round hole. He has feathers instead of skin. Very interesting. A smart Alex spaceman, so. But now we see how you stand electric neutrons.
Professor.
me! Send him back to Mars! Back to space, me two! Out!
What's going on here? Funny looking thing, ain't he? Oh, but he's an Earthman.
Flash right out of the sky.
I knew this would happen. Don't get too close, folks. Maybe radioactive.